We're going to turn now to a very merry royal Christmas, the first for 5-month-old Prince George. The Queen spoke about her great-grandson and future king during her annual Christmas message where, look at that, we saw a little video of the littlest prince. ABC's Lama Hassan has the story from London.
The never-before-seen video shows the royal daddy bouncing Prince George up and down during his christening and his mama trying to keep his hand out of his mouth. The video, part of the Queen's annual Christmas Day message. George's proud great-grandma couldn't resist speaking about the new apple of her eye.
The arrival of a baby gives everyone the chance to contemplate the future with renewed happiness and hope. For the new parents, life will never be quite the same again.
Their little bundle of joy, however, was absent during the chilly traditional walk to the church service. But his beaming parents, William and Kate, holding hands, smiling and waving to the thousands who turned up in the cold to see them.
Kate and William both said that they'd had a lovely morning with Prince George and it had been a fantastic Christmas. And Kate also told people that George was more interested in the wrapping than the presents.
Harry was also there, sporting a ginger beard left over from his Antarctic adventure. He was stepping out solo despite rumors of a serious girlfriend, Cressida Bonus, spending the holidays with him. With little George in tow, that makes 4 generations of royals all united under the Queen's roof in Sandringham for the holidays, just in time for the traditional Boxing Day hunt.
It's a significant event because it's very traditional. The men do the shooting and the women generally tend to be there socialising.
Well, one royal watcher told us the royals love this annual tradition of going on a Boxing Day shoot, which is today an action-packed day hunting pheasants. Then they go to a nearby barn for lunch, but they won't be feasting on the game they've shot. Oh no, their lunch is prepared for them, naturally.
Of course.
All right, Lama, thank you. Good luck on the Boxing Day shoot, I suppose.
Yeah, it looks
good luck to the pheasants too, okay? Good luck to everybody. Everybody involved, all right? Good luck.
Had by
Better luck to the pheasants.